My country people then. So as una fit see am, na the CPDM party this way they don't launch their campaign for the elections on the 9th of February 2020. So we want to encourage all man, whether you be a CPDM, you be a SDF, it no matter, because for vote for the parliamentary and the council elections, now your civic duty, now a human right for exercise your democratic right for take part in the democratic process. So make all man and make sure say we now vote for February the 9th, 2020.